Mexico! Yeah!
What's going on?
Bro, it's time to get a drink, but we went to the lanes. They're like, oh yeah, it'd be real quick. And it keeps on like raining more and more. So probably not gonna make a hit today until maybe 7, 8 o'clock tonight, would be my guess at the earliest. So we'll see. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And then by the time they get the track cleaned, then you always have the concern of if the sun's out at any point this weekend after heavy rain, it's just gonna pull the fucking water out of the track.
Yeah.
Then you got tomorrow.
Yeah.
Rain all.
It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so
Yeah.
whatever voodoo y'all did, it's working.
Damn the haters.
Let them make a pass first. We're good. We're on it.
A few days after TX2K, the car stayed together regardless of how much I tried to kill it this last week. As you saw in some of the runs, we were running a consistent, 7-1, 7-0. And on the last race against Brett and his Coyote, we, gave it everything we got, and it just wasn't enough. I got him at the tree, which, may have been by design by him, I don't know. But I got him on the tree. Felt like I had him, at the 8th mile, and then at about the 1,000 foot through my peripherals, I see a green dot, and then I blink, and then it's just like, so whatever witchcraft or scramble, whatever they got going on, works, and that car's fucking flying, and I have no shame in losing to that car. He ended up winning the event. With our stuff, I think we're at the limit of the turbos. We're gonna add a back pressure sensor, but at this point we're gonna go up in turbos and see what we can do, and try to go faster. And if we can go a 6.7, 6.8 all boost, we can maybe do some damage, maybe win. The car's come a long way in such a short period of time. We went from having engine issues to running out of turbo, and I think I told Aldo like 2 or 3 times already, the next pair of turbos I want to buy are going to be the last pair of turbos for this car. Granted, if you go back 10 vlogs ago, 15 vlogs ago, 6s was never in the plans. We broke the record for the IRS, and we kind of had a good heart-to-heart talk, me to you guys.
It's like, fuck yes, fastest I've ever been.
Carried the wheels for a little bit.
It carried the wheels, it fucking trapped 190 miles per hour. It did 151 in the 8th mile, which most people don't even do in the quarter mile. Most people trap like 125 in the quarter. It's crazy because the car still has so much potential, so much room left, and I'm kind of back to the dilemma where we were, and I'm like, what the fuck do we do with everything else now? Like, I literally have little to no interest to fucking with the Sierra. Like, what am I gonna do? Like, that thing will trap, 150, 160 maybe, and it's like, okay, cool. Yeah, maybe it'll be fun on the street, but I mean, the F-150 is great, right? Like, it's badass to like drive around, but those things are getting stolen left and right. So it's just like, what do we do? Where do we go from here? You get that post-nut clarity, and everything else is kind of just like bled after that. Like, I did it. This is what I wanted for so long. I mean, what do? We keep moving the goalpost. The goal was to go 7s, and then the goal was to go 750s, and we did that. What's the goal? 7.1, 7.2?
Where do we stop?
Yeah, I mean, what do we do? 6s? Like, to continue to go this fast on this platform, like, is almost unheard of. Like, you'll see cars and they go out there and they'll run, but how many are actually doing it often? I do it for the camaraderie, to have fun with you and Aldo, Levi, the guys at the track whenever friends come. Like, TX2K, it was a fucking clusterfuck. Every video will show you that it was a clusterfuck, but I had a great time because we were surrounded with friends and family. It was awesome. I mean, just hanging out in between rounds, just chit-chatting, shooting the shit, people coming up to us that watch the channel. I don't even want to say fans, because I don't think anybody's a fan. People that show support
to you guys. And I wasn't sure if we were gonna go for 6s or not, but we did. We ran 6s. We just need to be able to do that all the time if we're gonna be competitive in the classes that I want to be competitive in. So we went rounds at World Cup, we went rounds at Texas 2K, made it to the Final 4. Our day's gonna come. At some point, the sun's gonna shine on us. So we just gotta stay consistent, stay ready. Huge shout out to Richard. He busted his ass getting the car ready. Aldo, Angel, Adam, all the guys over at Circle D, John Lund, Jr. and Senior for flying in and pit crewing the car with us, helping us out. I mean, it's priceless knowledge there. Shout out to Steeda for the suspension help, the parts, everybody else involved. So stay tuned, and we got some juicy updates coming up.
You boys like Mexico?